Tasty. Delicious. Hi, we're the Berkeley Chefs, and today we are making a blueberry coconut smoothie. So today we have
blueberries,
a cup of blueberries, a cup of coconut, one banana here,
one banana, You can put it. Some hemp seeds.
2 tablespoons of hemp seeds.
Half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder.
We'll put half a cup of hemp bliss milk.
And now we're gonna blend. So before we blend, we have to make sure all of these buttons are on low,
So it don't make a mess when you start. Smells good. Okay, now we're going to get these measuring
a
teaspoons.
tablespoon of tiger nut powder, and 1 scoop of Sun Warrior blend. Then we're gonna blend it up. Very delicious. How does it smell?
Good. Smells good.
So we're gonna pour it out
Into 2 bowls, and we have some spoons to taste.
and then we're gonna put some toppings on top.
Here. Okay. the toppings. So we have some blueberries and banana and coconut.
And we're gonna put some at the top. Banana. Some coconut. And some blueberries here. There's got 2 bananas. Okay. Now we're gonna taste
The smoothie.
Look at this. How jelly and delicious it is. Mmm. Yuku.
Okay. Tasty. Delicious. It's creamy and delicious. That's the coconut blueberry smoothie.
Plus, it also gives you energy for the whole day. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below. And the recipe
in the description below.
Bye.